Okay, so I found the leak. Now, it's right there. Close the latch. You'll see that there's a crack right there. Right there, or that check ball, right there. I'm going to shine the light away, you see there's a crack right there. To the left of the connector, you see that where the check ball is, or the plug. This red one plugs into the side, and right there, there's a crack and it's leaking. So right there. We're going to open it again, close it, so I don't know if that can be repaired. See what we can do about that leak there. Stick some epoxy in there. Now I got to find the leak under the headrest, and that will be fun.